To replace or remove tines on a LawnMaster Tiller, it's just a few simple steps. First, we want to make sure the cord is unplugged, therefore the tiller will not turn on while we're replacing. And second, we want to have on gloves to prevent injury to our hands. So say we want to remove one or two of the tines. Say you're in between two flower beds and you want to shorten the width of the tines. All you have to do is, there are two pins on the side of each part of the tiller. You just have to simply remove the pin, put your index finger and pull. Do the other on the other side. And then these tines are labeled B, B1, B2, and A, A1, and A2. I'll show you a quick diagram just so you can see what I'm talking about. So say if you're replacing tines, you get a replacement tines. This is the way you'll put them back on the tiller. So say I want to go through a flower bed and just reduce the width a little bit. I'm going to remove B2 and A2. And if you can see here, there's built-in notches for where I'm going to put back in the pins. So once that's removed, I'll put back in my pin, and I would do the same on the other side if this is the width I desired. If we wanted to get even smaller, we could remove B1 and A1. And there are also notches built in here to insert the pin back. So say I'm replacing every tine, they've dulled or I need to sharpen them. I'm going to take my replacement tines. The first tines I'm going to find tine labeled with A, and then my tine labeled with B. And on the first tine, I'm going to make sure this is pointed out towards me. So insert B, and I'm going to do the same on the other side. Make sure this is pointed outward. Then I'm going to take tine B1 and tine A1. And then this tine, this will be facing inward. I'll do the same with A1, making sure this is facing inward. And then lastly, I'll take tines labeled B2 and A2 and insert them, making sure this is facing inward. Lastly, I will take A2. This is now facing inward. And then our last step to replace the tines is going to take both of our pins. Simply take your pin, put the flat side, you want to insert the flat bar into the insertion and push down. Push down. And now your LawnMaster Tiller is ready for use.